Today we will be testing the volume price balance indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the volume price balance indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 841 indicators, with 344 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 48 of the winning indicators. 15 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the volume price balance indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so the main function of this, as you can probably guess, is going to be the shift in the color as the red line and the green line are crossing each other. Now if I scroll back here a little bit, you can see also there's a dot there. You can see that there's a dot here, a dot here, and so those dots are the indicator trying to identify potential reversal points. And so there's kind of a second aspect to this indicator. So we have the initial trend kind of directional analyzation going on here, and then we have the potential reversal kind of points here. And so the way we're going to test it on this particular one is going to be just the trend coloration. And so once again, we have the zoom in here a little tighter. Basically what we have is a red oscillating line and a green oscillating line. And again, as they are crossing, so when the green line crosses up above the red, then we get this green coloration in the background here, which is going to be a long signal. When the green crosses down below the red, then we get the red coloration here, which is going to be a short signal. And so again, that's how we're going to test it on this one, and then we will see how it does, maybe test it another way. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so it's a little bit challenging to see, so I zoomed in really tight on this, but you can see how the two lines basically go flatlined here for just a moment, and are just kind of riding sideways, not really doing much. And so that is kind of a ranging period where there isn't really a direction in trend being established. And then we pick up the red background coloration right here, the red cloud right there on that one. It's going to be a short signal. Let's go ahead and play it forward. Looks like we get a nice little drop out of this, which would have, yep, gotten us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so the next signal that we're going to pick up is going to be a long signal. You can see that we, excuse me, get that switch in the coloration right here on this one. It looks like it may have, we may have actually gotten the switch right here on this one. Looks like the green line was at 1.76 and the red line at 1.71. So yeah, technically we got the switch right here on this candle. And you can see that we get a nice little jump to the upside there. And that one would have also gotten us to our take profit. Another little cool function of this indicator I wanted to point out real quick is the little boxes over here, and those boxes are kind of giving us kind of a trend strength, whether it's bull or bear. And as the lines here are switching kind of their positions and kind of oscillating around in different spots, then it is analyzing those trends. Thought that was kind of cool to have that. We've seen that on a few different other indicators, but just something to point out. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here, one of our members, is an amazing Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's doing analysis of the Forex market, marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, kind of channels and different wedge patterns that he sees and is keeping an eye on. Just really, really great information and really great chart analysis that you can learn from. One of our newest admins, Mike from Upright Trading here, does a great job of helping everybody out with indicators. He's got a few different indicators that he has developed himself. Some are free, some are paid, but all of them are really cool, interesting indicators. And he really goes above and beyond to help people out with those indicators and explain how to use them, strategies and different indicators kind of stacked together, as well as constantly updating those indicators and upgrading them in different fashions, adding new things to them, constantly developing those indicators. And so just really, really great stuff. Some of our other members here are also posting some of the trades that they're taking, kind of documenting and journaling their progress into trading. And so all in all, it's just a really great environment where everybody's helping everybody out, everybody's helping everybody grow and become better traders. So highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our indicator here. Let's go ahead and scroll back. So we only got the 3 trades within the 1 year's time, and all 3 of those trades were winning trades. So it's going to put this one on the 100% win rate list. And obviously, once we run it through the advanced testing with a more thorough number of trades, or a larger number of trades, I guess I should say, then we will see how it kind of stands up over that increased pressure. But for now, seemed like it did rather well. Was catching trades, or catching the trends pretty decently, sometimes better than others. You can see that it was catching this downtrend really well. This downtrend here, it seemed to kind of have quite a bit of a delay on before it finally got in there. But like I said, all in all, it did pretty decent. Can't complain too much. Definitely want more trades within the 1 year's time to determine how it will do. But like I said, we'll get to that point. So for now, it's going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.